ARM stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. ARM Holdings is decent, is $138. You know, what I was looking at is that either break above or beneath the zone of the red part, and we've started breaking above, which is nice. You can see I never took to sell here since no rules got met. And when we started picking up as such, man, all I'm looking to do is just double down, buy more. You know, like a lot of people are just over exaggerating this sort of stuff. This is my top. And the only way that I'm looking to double down on this is buy, right? So how's that buy gonna work? Well, I'm not gonna immediately buy. That's not what I'm not gonna do. Well, yeah, maybe ideally if it does pull down and gives me some sort of a double break, then I'm gonna get involved. But other than that, not forcing it. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.